In this session, we'll be talking about species, one among the taxonomic categories. Now, species is regarded as genetically closed system. It is reproductively isolated. What does that mean? Let me give an example. Say Solanum tuberosum, which is scientific name for potato. Solanum is the genus and tuberosum is the specific epithet. I'll talk about one more name with the same genus called Solana melangina. Solanum is the genus again and melangina is the species. Now I've talked about two scientific names with the same genus but different species, which were tuberosum and melangina. Tuberosum will only be reproducing with tuberosum, melangina will only be reproducing with melangina. Tuberosum and melangina will not be reproducing. It does mean that one particular species reproduce with the same species. No two species can be reproducing, which is called biological concept of a species, which is also called concept of reproductive isolation, which was given by a very famous scientist called Ernst Mayr, who is also called Darwin of 20th century or Triple Crown. According to this particular concept, a species is a group of actually or potentially interbreeding population that are reproductively isolated from other such group. That does mean that one species will be reproducing with the same species. No two species can be reproducing. You can easily distinguish between two species morphologically, like potato or brinjal are morphologically differentiated, being belonging to the same genus, but their species are different. In the next session, we'll be talking about genus.